Magandang hapon po ng February 3, 2024 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng February 3, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, February 3, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 3, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 33.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Saturday, February 3, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for February 3, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.